Hello everybody and welcome back to another Beae tutorial, and in this one we are going through icon list. So if you are a web page designer or just a customer in general, you might notice that in websites or web page developers or web page designers, the icon lists are really popular. So without wasting any further time, let's get started with icon list element. So to use it, you simply need to drag and drop it into your page, and you can see a list of icons and labels could be seen in here. Now these are totally editable, and to do so, just make sure your element is selected, and after that on right side you can see a couple of options. First of all, you have this content section. After that you have style, and finally you have advanced. So let's just go step by step, and first let's start with content. So in the content tab you can totally edit the text and icon in this element. So as you can see, at the first place we have this little A icon, so you can change it by simply clicking on this icon, and after that you can upload of your own, or you have some system library in here. So you can see when we click in here, and you can see a lot of icons in here. For example, if I need something related to Facebook or social media, I can type in here Facebook, and you can see our icon related to Facebook are in here. So not only one icon but a wide range of icons could be seen in here. So let's just use this Facebook icon and click on select, and so you can see our icon is now changed to Facebook. Similarly, you can also change the name of this label. You can call it maybe Facebook link. So after that, if you want to just enable link for this label, you can check on this box, and so you can see when you type in here facebook.com, your label is now turned into blue and the icon is also turned into blue, which means a custom link is now combined to this label. So similarly you can do for the rest of two labels. So if you want to add another item, you can simply click on this plus icon, and you can see you have another label in here with an icon, and you can totally edit that too. After that you have design, and in here you can either set full, width, or inline. So you can see when we select inline, these are just arranged in a row wise manner. So let's just change it back to full width, and we can delete this. Okay, so after that you have an option of presets. So in case you have just added some preset related to your icon list settings, you can just add them in here, or you can select some from the library. So after content tab we have style, and here you can adjust the style of your icon and label. So first of all, you have icon list. You can select the alignment, you can center align them, or you can align it to the end. So it's totally up to you and your choice. And after that you also have this option of spacing, so you can change the spacing of your labels and icons. And after that you have the size of your icon, and you can rotate your icon if you want to do that. By the way, if you want to revert all of these settings, you can simply click on this revert icon, and it is going to be resetting the value. So you can see when you press this reset value option, all of these icons are going to be back to normal. So after that you have spacing of icons and label. After that you can select animation if you want to make a hover animation, and then you can set the color. So you can see it is totally flexible. You can also add a border, and similarly you can add shadows for your icon. So these are some icon settings, and after that are the settings for the label. So these are also pretty similar. You can change the color for your text. So like for example, if I want to make my color red, I could just choose among this color palette, and I can simply select red color. Similarly, if I want to do for blue, I can change the color to blue. We also have a really great option to change the typography. If I want to change the font, I can change it from the family, so I can select the font from here. You can always upload your own font, and you also have this Google Fonts option, and among here you will be having a lot of options to select from. So I can select Montserrat, like for example, and simply click on select. After that you can change the weight of your font. So if I want to make it look a little thicker, I can do that from here. So you can see it looks like it is now bold and it is much more clear. So if in case you want to do that, and after that you have decoration, so you can just underline them or maybe overline, you have the line through option. So all of these formatting is totally available in here. Also add shadows to your text, so you can just adjust these settings to, you can see shadow is already applied, so you can add shadows to your label. And below that you have spacing, and in case you want to play with that. That was pretty much it for the icon list element, and I really hope you understood the concept and liked the video. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you next time.